Hello friends, welcome to Node.js tutorial. My name is Jagdish. Today in this video we will discuss about Node.js. So first, what is meant by Node.js? Node.js is a server-side runtime environment and it is not a language. Also, code of Node.js and also the syntax is similar to JavaScript. Another is Node.js is connect with database and Node.js is free and open source. Node.js use Chrome V8 engine to execute the code. Also, Node.js is used for API. Another is what is difference between the Node.js and JavaScript. Node.js is server runtime environment and JavaScript is run in browser. Another difference is Node.js is connect with database and JavaScript is not connect with database. And last difference is Node.js is server side and JavaScript is client side. These are the difference between the Node.js and JavaScript. Like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video.